Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and in this video I want to show you this deck lid that we were able to fix using paintless dent removal. We were able to save this panel from being replaced. We recycled this panel and we kept the original painting, the original factory finishing on this whole car, and I'm just gonna show you here the process for the deck lid, for the trunk. This is the deck lid. Here you can see all the damage. This is the reflection from the light that we use for PDR for our work. You can see all the big dents there. This is a different angle. You can see the dents were big and sharp. This is the access that I have. This is the little tool. It's a little whale tail that I use for cutting the glue and getting access to a dent. This is another type of hand tool. This is me working on it. You can see tapping down, getting access. All the factory access holes there. And you can see here massaging the metal. This is a dent being fixed fast forward. You can see how much metal we have to move on each dent, always being careful to keep it really clean. You can see here again before how much damage was. This panel should be replaced by a body shop, but we were able to fix all paintless dent removal. We kept the original painting. You can see here after. Looks really nice, really clean. This is before from different angle. And this is after again. Again before with the light on. And this is after again from another angle. Here are some tools that I used for the repair. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. And thanks for watching.